Join me as I take on the challenge of guiding you through some powerful meditations to completely relax your mind and body. Guided meditations have been a game changer for me, and I truly believe they can be for you as well. By simply dedicating a few minutes a day to this practice, you can quiet your mind, soothe your body, and find a sense of calm that will stay with you long after the meditation is over. We're living in a world that's constantly on the go, where stress and anxiety seem to be lurking around every corner. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle, to let our minds race and our bodies tense up. But the truth is, we don't have to let that be our reality. We have the power to take control of our emotions, to calm our minds, and to relax our bodies. So many of us struggle with stress and anxiety, wondering how to make it all stop. We try to push through, to power through, but eventually, it all catches up with us. We feel exhausted, drained, and like we're running on empty. It's like we're stuck in a never-ending cycle of stress, and we don't know how to break free. But here's the thing, we don't have to be slaves to our stress and anxiety. We can learn to manage them, to quiet them down, and to find peace in the midst of chaos. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. Let's start by focusing on our breath. Take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs. Hold it for a second and then exhale slowly, feeling any tension or stress leave your body. As we inhale, imagine fresh, calming energy entering our bodies. As we exhale, imagine any worries or doubts leaving our bodies. Next, let's move on to visualization. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in a peaceful, serene environment. It could be a beach at sunset, a forest on a crisp autumn day, or a mountain meadow on a warm summer morning. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this environment, taking in every detail, every sensation. Feel the calmness, the tranquility, the relaxation spreading through your body. Now, let's take this a step further. Imagine any areas of tension or stress in your body, any areas that may be holding you back. It could be your shoulders, your neck, your back, or your mind. As you inhale, imagine fresh, calming energy flowing into these areas, soothing them, relaxing them. As you exhale, imagine any tension or stress leaving these areas, melting away. As we continue this guided meditation, I want you to allow yourself to fully let go. Let go of any worries, any doubts, any fears. Allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation, to feel the calmness spreading through your body, to feel your mind quieting down. You are safe, you are relaxed, you are at peace. Remember, the key to meditation is consistency. It's not about achieving some kind of mystical state, it's about showing up every day, dedicating a few minutes to your own well-being, and allowing yourself to relax, to calm down, and to find peace. By incorporating meditation into your daily routine, you'll start to notice the benefits seeping into every area of your life. You'll feel more calm, more centered, more grounded. If you've enjoyed this meditation and would like to explore more relaxation and mindfulness content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon to turn on notifications. And if you have any personal experiences or insights you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey, and I look forward to guiding you through more meditations in the future.